Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make highlights on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to make highlights on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. And now in order to make a highlight on Instagram, first guys you'll be required to make a story on Instagram. So let's make a story. To do that, from on this interface at the top left corner of the screen you can see your story button. Tap on it and you will be able to create a story from over here. I'll be just clicking a photo of my keyboard and let's click it. And now from over here guys you'll be required to share this story, and let's share it. And you can see guys we have shared our story successfully. It's being loaded. Now before we can make a highlight, you need to make a thing short. That is, let's go back to our story, and from over here at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon where it says more. Tap on that three dotted icon, and here you can see the story settings at the bottom of the screen, just above the boost story. Tap on story settings, and from over here guys you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the save story to archive button available. Now in order to make a highlight of the story you had just posted or you want to post, make sure that the save story to archive button is turned on, or the toggle icon for the save story to archive is turned on. And from over here guys, after you have turned on the toggle icon for the save story to archive on the story, let's go back and again let's tap on the three dotted icon which is the more at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can see the highlight option available for us just below the save photo guys. If you have not saved the story to archive, that highlight button won't be available. So let's tap on the highlight button over here, and you can rename your highlight whichever you like, and after that tap on add, and that highlight will be added on your Instagram. Let's tap on done, and you can see guys that highlight has been added on our Instagram. And there guys, this is how to make highlight on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.